Hey,
Hi.
so this is almost the first week of May.
Yeah. And we want to offer condolences to friends of Glenn Miller who passed away last week. He was quite an asset to the dance community and a very good friend.
In other news, we will be having our May dance on the 18th at Warrenville Park District.
We're very excited. Yeah.
And this Tuesday, we're not starting Hustle yet because it is our 5th Tuesday, but we will be starting in Warrenville.
And you know what that means.
So bring food. And on Thursday, we are back to two-step here at Strut, and that will be at 8 o'clock.
That's right. And I want to point out to viewers that despite the fact that Don looks taller than I do here, it's because he has a nice long torso, but short legs. So just understand that. This is an ongoing discussion. And Jan Harbor, thank you for your support.
She's just being nice because she's your sister. Okay, so as a preview for Hustle next week, we are doing and 1, 2, 3, nice easy out. I'm gonna go to 2 hands. Armlock. Into a turn. And 1, 2, 3. Okay. Throw out.
The important thing to note is, contrary to West Coast Swing, where we yell at the women, wait until he leads you, hang back, and sometimes we say, this is a 5 and 6, and so there's connection. So he brings you forward on 1. In Hustle, it's the exact opposite. So if we're going to be stepping back, it will be and 1, 1, 2, 3, and 1. So we come forward on 1 to keep our partner out of trouble. All right.
So we're doing a basic throwout, and 1, 2, 3, bring her back. And on the second one, I'm on 2 hands with Julie. This time I'm rocking forward to help with the momentum. And 1, 2, 3 into an arm lock in this direction. And 1, 2, 3 arm lock. And 2, 2, 3. So we have
Your tie.
and 1, 2, 3, and 2, 2, 3. So from here, I'm going to be wrapping Julie up into a rolling break. And 3, 2, 3. Rolling break, 2, 3, and 1. Okay. Here, yeah, that would make sense. Julie's in an arm lock.
Julie's laughing her butt off.
Quit moving!
Oh dear me.
Okay.
Which way am I going?
You're going that way, rolling break.
Okay then.
And 1, 2, 3.
Watch
break.
my and 1. I'm pushing off and 1. So I propel myself forward on the 1 of the and 1. Todd,
What?
you need more sleep. We did this already.
No, we didn't do it that way.
Okay.
And 1, 2, 3. Rolling break. 2, 3, and 1.
So there are a lot of turns in Hustle. If you're good at turns, you're going to love it. If you're bad at turns, you're going to have to work on your turns. Deal?
We will catch you guys on the